Day 2 snacks are tower treats. You are going to have the kids make their own tower of Rice Krispie treats. You can either make them from scratch or you can buy store-bought Rice Krispie treats or individually packaged. Then you're going to cut them up and make a small tower of Babel. The other snack in honor of Asia is hummus and pita chips. So you buy prepackaged pita chips and give them little condiment cups of hummus. Now, if you have picky kids, they might think, ew, hummus, but my infant daughter loves roasted red pepper hummus. It's not spicy and it has a great flavor, so that would be my pick of hummus to serve to the kids that might get eaten very well. The healthy chip is cucumber and veggie sushi rolls, again in honor of Asia. That's Day 2 snacks.